Hello everyone, my name is Ayaan. Welcome back to my channel, Ayaan's Kids Learning Tube. And today in Ayaan's Kids Learning Tube, day 84, we are gonna learn about what if Antarctica melted. So before we get started, it's a little chilly. I want to switch on the fan. Wait, where's the fan? Oh, it's there. Should we keep it at 5 or 3? Okay, let's keep it at 3. So, without further ado, let's get started. And I would like to thank you for 71 subs. Well, we didn't reach our goal of 70 subs by the end of October. But still, good job. You did it yesterday. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, Antarctica is a continent. It's the most southern continent of them all. It contains about 80% of Earth's fresh water. But what if Antarctica melted? That would be a big problem for countries. Well, first of all, 80% of Earth's fresh water will be gone. And if anybody needs polar bears, let's just say Antarctica will be useful. I bet you think, oh, Antarctica, just screw this, melt all of Antarctica. But no. Before you just go from, China or India to Antarctica, just please remember, do not do what I think you're gonna do. Antarctica is a good need. If water likers will love Antarctica. If you just melt Antarctica, that means you don't like water. Wait, a butterfly! A butterfly! I will show you a photo of a butterfly. Okay, yeah, that butterfly didn't really have colors. Well, Antarctica does not only have water, but it has scientists. And you know what scientists are doing? Discovering Antarctica. So all those years of discovering things in Antarctica will go to waste for the scientists. Poor scientists. And if Antarctica melted, severe climate change will happen. Severe climate change. You're just hanging out in the very nice weather. Well, that will either go extremely hot or extremely cold if Antarctica melted. Well, then, there will be 6 continents. And also the world will lose a whopping 17 million square kilometers of their area. You may think 80% of the world is covered with water. Well, if Antarctica melts, that will increase to almost 90%. Yeah, Antarctica is that big. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent in the world, slightly larger than Europe and Oceania. So, also, let's just say something about this. Antarctica has the 2nd tallest mountain ever. So it looks like the 2nd tallest mountain will also melt. Scientists' years of discovering that will also go to waste. By the way, if you like my new shirt, comment down in the discussion tab. So, without further ado, that was only lesson 1. Yep, that was lesson 1. Facts about Antarctica. We have 2 more lessons. Lesson 2 is what if Antarctica melted? Yep, we didn't include a bunch of that. What if Antarctica melted, right? So countries will get severely hotter. Especially the country lessons things. I want to say it all in one lesson. So without further ado, I have a couple more facts about Antarctica. Well, Antarctica is already melting. Antarctica is already melting. Within 100 years, I think it would be gone. Yeah, within 100 years. And if Antarctica melted, about 45% of USA will become colder. I don't know why, but it should become hotter. Right? Did you get that? It was not meant to be a joke. Well, anyway, let's continue. Antarctica, well, also known as the snow continent. Yep, the snow continent. That's its literally its nickname. Well, Antarctica is moving. Antarctica is moving more north and north each year. In maybe one day it'll touch Africa. And Africa, from one of the hottest continents, will become from one of the coldest continents. Yeah. First, Antarctica will touch South Africa. Then it'll touch Lesotho and Eswatini. It'll touch all of southern Africa first. South Africa, Lesotho, Mozambique and Eswatini. Wow, I named all 4 countries of South Africa. Then it will slowly go northeast. It'll go in the northeast countries, like say Egypt, Eritrea, Ethiopia, and countries like that. Then it will slowly do all the other countries. Well, you might be wondering what on earth, Antarctica won't take over the world. Well, I'm saying things which will happen in a couple thousand years from now. Yeah, Antarctica is slowly expanding, but it's also melting at the same time. You might be wondering how it's possible. As Antarctica melts, the furthest northern point of Antarctica extends about by a feet a year. Yeah. This will take thousands of years to reach Africa. Scientists also say that Antarctica, after it reaches the most northern country of Africa, Algeria, it will slowly start to melt. You remember what I said a couple of minutes ago when I said Antarctica is melting? Yeah, it'll slowly, I meant at that time when it reached Algeria. Yeah, so that was nearly all the learning in this video. So I have just one more fact to tell you. So this is the most important fact of them all. If the continent of Antarctica melted, we will not live one more year after that. That was the last fact. Well, I think this video is already quite short compared to my other video saying that the information is over. You might be wondering, where's Ayaan? She's not here, obviously. She's sleeping with her mother. So, what to do to pass the time? Oh, to make this video a little bit longer and spice things up. Yep, you're right. A 5-question pop quiz, but extreme version. If you fail one question, you have to watch all my videos from the beginning. Yep, all my videos from the beginning. Please do it. Please do it. You don't have to, but please do it. Okay, you don't have to. Okay, just leave it. Maybe that's too extreme. But you still watch the video from the beginning as always. So without further ado, let's start. Question number 1 is done. What is Antarctica's area? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The answer is about 17 million square kilometers. Question number 2. How long would we survive if Antarctica melted? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The answer is 1 year. Question number 3 is done. If Antarctica melted, how much percent of the USA would also be hotter? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 45% of the USA. And finally, question number 1. Are scientists exploring the continent of Antarctica? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, scientists are exploring the continent of Antarctica. Well, after the 5 question pop quiz, I still say this video is quite short. At only 10 minutes so far if I am correct. I cut the videos to edit, Well, I know exactly what to do. Roll the cinematics of Antarctica. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the cinematics of Antarctica. And also the butterfly, I can still see it over there. So now, let's do the outro. No, not just that yet. Let's do the important words. Number 1, temperature. To measure the coldness or hotness of some place. And that's pretty much all. So, wait. So now let's do the outro. So I hope you like Ayaan's Kids Learning Tube Day 84, which was about what if Antarctica melted. Stay happy, keep smiling, stay healthy. Like this video, share this video with friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new uploading videos. See you in the next Ayaan's Kids Learning Tube video. Bye-bye for now.